Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela, and today we're going to make a chicken parmesan, and we're going to do it in the air fryer. And it's good. I'm using my Ninja Foodi. So I love this thing. It's big and it just crisps up everything so super well. I'm only gonna make one. However, you can make like I think up to 6 at a time. The space in this thing is amazing. So anyway, we are not gonna bind it with an egg because, as we all know, right now eggs are like a hot commodity and they're super expensive, and we're gonna save these for a special occasion. Okay, just saying, Valentine's Day is around the corner. And so we're gonna pair that with Green Giant Veggie Spiral Skillet. Now, I've never tried this before. If you have and you like it, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear your experience with it. It does say on the back here that you can throw it on the stovetop or just throw it in the microwave. This is EZ Eatery. We're gonna toss it in the microwave. So yeah, anyway, so watch how I make this chicken parmesan with no egg. It's so amazing and it's so delicious, and it turns out so super moist and absolutely delicious. So welcome in. Let's go get busy. So you know how I said that we're not going to use eggs, we're going to use mayonnaise. Yep, mayonnaise, because it's really just a combination of egg and oil. So we're just going to go ahead and just coat our chicken up really, really well. Going to use some panko breadcrumbs and put that in a separate dish. We only have to use 2 dishes this time. Isn't this awesome? Of course, I have to use my favorite Susie Q because I literally put this on everything. We're going to take some thyme and just sprinkle a little bit of that in there, as well as some oregano, because Italian dishes always have to have oregano in there. So tasty. Also some Italian seasoning. Hey, might as well blend it all together, right? All right, so we're just going to add a little bit of that in there, and of course some Parmesan cheese. So I like to use this kind of cheese for it, the finely grated kind, because it just, I don't know, it just combines it, or just sticks to the chicken so much better. So we're just going to mix that up and take our little piece of chicken here, and we're just going to go ahead and coat that up all the way through. We need to try and pack that in there. So as I'm turning it and flipping it over, I'm just trying to get the breadcrumbs to stick into the mayonnaise. It doesn't take much. I'm just making sure it's really in there. And then we're going to just go ahead and take some spray oil and spray it down on both sides. In my preheated air fryer, I am just going to go ahead and put my chicken in there. As you can see, you can put a whole bunch of chicken in there, probably a good 6. 360 degrees for 16 minutes. I did check it at the 8-minute mark, and this is what it looks like. It's starting to already toast up very, very, very well. And we're just going to go ahead and flip that on over. Give it another 8 minutes or so, but I'm going to check it after about 6 minutes. So this would be a fine time to go ahead and throw our veggie spiral into the microwave. It says say on the package direction to put it in between 7 and 8 minutes, so I like everything cooked really, really well, so I'm gonna go for the 8-minute mark. So we're gonna put that in 8 minutes and just let it do its thing, and this is what it looks like when it comes out. I know, right? Doesn't look that appealing. However, we're gonna fluff it up and make it look pretty, at least prettier. Okay, so I'm a little hesitant right now to see what this is going to taste like, but it smells amazing. Let's go ahead and top it with our chicken. Look at that chicken, yummy. Of course, we got to top it with some more Parmesan cheese and some parsley flakes. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what it looks like on the inside. I did do an internal temperature and or internal check, and it was at 165 degrees, so that is cooked to perfection. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slice right into it, and I want to show you, like, the outside of it is so super crunchy, and look at the inside of this. I'm gonna get you a closer look right now. It is amazing. Like, it's so moist and so juicy, and all I can say is wow. Let's go take a bite. First bite is always for you. I'm not that selfish. It's for you. Go ahead, take a bite. All right, I wish you could. I'll take it for you though. So good. You guys, that chicken is impeccable. It's so good. You can't even tell that there's mayonnaise on there at all. The breading is really good. You can definitely taste all of the seasonings that we added. It's really good. But let's go in and give this noodle thing a try, which basically just looks like carrots, but you can see the squash and zucchini in there, so give it a try. I'd have to say, go ahead and give this stuff a try. It's good. Let me know in the comment section what you think, because I happen to like it. The marinara sauce on it is delicious. It pairs so well with our chicken, and all I can say is for under 15 minutes, this is a great meal. Seriously, it really is. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Actually, I've got to go feed my dog because he's over here freaking out. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please give the video a thumbs up. That would certainly warm my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now. Is that good stuff? Yeah, Mommy's a good cook, huh? Yeah, you like it. You like it?